In this video, I'll show you how you can check your auto attack range in League of Legends. Now, if you want to check how far your auto attack range is, you can press P and see down here, it says attack range is 125. Now, maybe you don't know how big 125 is. So what you can do is come to your settings, hotkeys, and player movement. Make sure player attack move, just this one, is on a key that you can press, and then simply press the key. Now, when I press A, this will show 125, like it says down here, just like this. Now, obviously, if I was playing Caitlyn and I had a lot more, it would be all the way over here. And that's basically how you can check the attack range. Now, this is super useful if you're playing ranged. If you want to check on your spells as well, you can go and add in the abilities, quick cast with indicator, or just a normal cast. I like the quick cast with indicator. I have mine on Alt. So if I hold down Alt and Q, I can see the range right here. So that's basically how you can do it, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.